Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some creative home decor ideas with shelves. So welcome to our latest YouTube video where we will be taking you on a journey through a world of home decor focusing on the versatile and stylish use of shelves. If you're looking to revamp your living space and add both functionality and flair, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore various creative and practical ways to incorporate shelves into your home decor. Whether you have a modern apartment, a cozy cottage, or anything in between, discover how to choose the right shelves to match your decor style, whether it is a minimalistic, rustic, or eclectic. We will provide step by step guidance on arranging and styling shelves to showcase your favorite decor items, books, plants, and more. Our expert tips will help you to maximize your storage and display potential while creating a space that truly reflects your personality. So, join us on this inspiring journey as we share ideas, tips, and beautiful examples of how shelves can transform any room. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or just looking for fresh inspiration, this video is your go-to source for enhancing your home decor. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more home decor inspiration ideas. I hope you like this beautiful collection. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.